No windows. No problem. Let's make your room feel brighter and bigger, naturally. Today, design moves that bounce, borrow, and amplify light without knocking down walls. We'll cover bounce, borrow, brighten, and more. All renter-friendly. If your lamps make hot spots but the room still feels cave-like, the light isn't traveling. Solution 1. Bounce light. Use bright, matte surfaces to reflect and spread it. Aim for eggshell or satin. Soft reflection, less glare than semi-gloss. Think in light paths. Source satin, less glare than semi-gloss. Think in light path source, bounce spread. Let's build your path. Borrow daylight from adjacent areas with sheer layers that keep privacy but let glow through. We'll keep one cohesive palette and repeat materials so your eye reads it as open. Mirrors multiply luminance. Place them across from any bright source, not just windows. Angle to capture a doorway, kitchen, or even a brighter room next door. Dark heart. Dark, bulky furniture absorbs light. Trade for low-profile light finishes, open backs. Use 4000K neutral with 90 plus CRI. Colors look true. Glare stays calm. See the difference? Accurate light reads as natural, not yellow or blue. Up next, 8 renter-proof strategies to turn glow into wow. Up next, 8 renter-proof strategies to turn glow into wow. Save this. We're about to revamp your space. Strategy 1. Pick a bounce wall. Paint it matte off-white so light diffuses, not glares. Soft, warm whites like Swiss coffee keep it cozy while reflecting more. Aim light at the wall, not the room. The wall becomes your giant softbox. 2-layer shears, 1 sheer for glow, 1 for privacy. Both filter and spread light. Drape a pass-through with shears to borrow brightness from the next room. Even a small lux bump, when spread, feels like a big mood change. Place mirrors opposite or at 45 degrees to your brightest opening. 1 round to soften, 1 vertical to pull light deeper into corners. Reflections create virtual windows. Your brain reads them as space. Trade heavy solids for light, leggy frames. More floor shows, more airiness. Choose mid-light neutrals, texture over saturation to catching bounce light. Leave negative space. Visual gaps let light weave through your layout. So far, bounce wall, layered shears, mirror matte, airy furniture. Ready for 4 more renter moves that make a tiny windowless space feel open, calm, and naturally bright. Layer light high, mid, and low. Evenly spaced sources feel like daylight. Add an uplight to bounce off your ceiling. Instant sky effect. Clip-on sconces give mid-level fill without hardwiring. Low lights erase heavy floor shadows that shrink rooms. Use soft sheen materials, satin metals, glazed ceramic linen. They glow, not blind. Avoid mirror finish metals where you sit. Hot spots feel harsh. Light mats and frames extend your bright wall area subtly. Clear the floor and midline. Fewer interruptions mean light travels farther. Shift tall items out of primary sight lines from your entry. Edit decor to 60-30-10. 60% utility 10. 60% utility, 30% display, 10% empty for breath. Paint your ceiling 1 notch lighter than walls to fake height and lift light. Hang art a bit higher to pull the gaze upward, like sunlight would. Ground the space with a light, low contrast rug. It becomes a second bounce surface. Screenshot this checklist. Next is checklist. Next checklist. Next we'll apply it start to finish in our studio and show the full transformation. Here's our baseline, dim, heavy, and chopped up. Step 1, bounce wall on the long side. Step 2, shears to borrow glow. Step 3, mirror matte to carry light deeper. Step 4, lighten forms and open sight lines. Step 5, layer light like daylight. Step 6, glow over glare. Step 7, curate what stays in the light path. Step 8, lift the ceiling and let the floor glow. Same room, no windows added. Notice the even luminance and calm palette. Budget-friendly picks, shears, mirrors, LED strips, mirrors, LED strips, 1 gallon of paint and a light rug, glare. Aim at walls, too cool. Return to 4000K still heavy. Edit surfaces. Your eye believes what light suggests. Give it a bright story. Grab the free checklist, subscribe for more small space design, and share your before and afters below.